Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show about how to make bootable USB drive in for setup window in laptop HP model 15EF2072WM. Okay, you see the video I try many times, but I cannot boot above from the USB. Okay, so this video solve this problem. Okay, 2 points for solve this problem. The first point. Okay, so this first. Wait, it's loading. Okay, see, I try many times, but I try to the boot above USB many times, but it's not boot from the USB. Okay, 2 points for solve this problem. Okay, the first point, we go to check software that we do boot above USB. Okay, I use Raffles software. Okay, if all version, okay, I remark again. If 2 points for do boot above USB drive, okay, with Raffles. If all version, okay, this one all version, okay, I do abort like this. Okay, you choose GPT and this one 22. If all version of Windows, okay, 2 important point for do abort USB with Raffles. Okay, the first. Okay, the second, if the new version of Windows, okay, this one new version of Windows 21.82, okay, version of Windows 10. Okay, you do abort with Raffles like this. Okay, I open Raffles, and after I go to image Windows 21.82. Okay, this one. Okay, not choose anything. You just select GPT and this one anti-FS, no have fat sample, and after you start it's okay. Okay, I mark again 2 important points for do abort boot USB drive with Raffles. Okay, the second point, we go to check BIOS setup. We enable USB or disable. Okay, we press F10 for BIOS setup and press F11 for boot menu. Okay, now already video is the end. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that my video can help you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.